Hello, today we're going to explain the problem that is appearing on the screen, and we are going to try to do it in an easy way, so you can learn in an attractive way, you as we are students, and we understand that mathematics can be difficult, but don't worry, and let's get started.
Problem says the profit in euros obtained from selling X units of a certain chemical is modeled by Px is equal to minus 0.00005 x to the cubic plus 12x minus 200. The revenue from the sales of X units of the chemical is modeled by Rx is equal to 10x minus 4. After reading the problem, we need to solve the letter A, B, and C. But in order to do this, we will need the rule of the derivative of a constant function. That is this one. So, this rule is very important, and guess again, we are going to give you a few seconds. Did you know why? No? Okay, take it easy. This rule tells us that the derivative of a constant function is zero. That is, a constant function is a horizontal line. The slope or the rate of change of a constant function is zero. Now, first, the term is defined to be used to solve the problem, starting with what is a marginal profit. It refers to the profit obtained by a company or individual when an additional or marginal unit is produced and sold. Second, what is the cost function? It refers to the total cost of producing given a specific quantity produced. And finally, what is the marginal cost of production? Is the change in total production cost that comes from making or producing an additional unit. Okay, firstly, we start by solving the problem A, where it asks us to find the marginal profit when x is equal to 200. In this case, we will use the rule of the constant. So, the initial problem tells us that is equal to minus 0.00005 x to the cubic plus 12x minus 200. That is equal to minus 0.00005 multiplying 3x to the cubic plus 12x minus 200. Remember that in this case the minus 200 is the constant, and the rule says that the constant is equal to 0. So once I already say that, that is equal to minus 0.00015x with the exponents 3 minus 1 plus 12x minus 0. So, secondly, we need to subtract only the exponents, and that is equal to minus 0.00015x to the square plus 12x. Then what we need to do is to substitute the value of x, and the problem says that x is equal to 200. So that is equal to minus 0.00015 multiplying 200 to the square plus 12. So that gives us minus 0.00015 for multiplying 4000 plus 12. And actually we need to multiply only these two values, and that gives us a result of minus 6 plus 12. And finally we have that the marginal profit is equal to 6. The second problem tells us to use the fact that Px is equal to Rx minus Cx to find the cost function. To solve this problem, we don't need a differentiation rule, but we must solve to get the value of c. So px is equal to rx minus cx. That is equal to px plus cx is equal to rx. And if we have in a px in a addition goes to the other side in a subtraction, and that is equal to cx is equal to rx minus px. So then we need only to substitute the value of r and p to get the value of c. So remember that the initial problem is already giving us the value and p, and in the first problem we obtain the value of p. So continue. If we substitute the values, we obtain 10x minus 4 multiplying minus 0.00005 x to the cubic plus 12x minus 200, and that is equal to minus 0.00005 x to the cubic minus 2x plus 196, and this is the value of c. Finally, we will do the problem C, where it says, find the marginal cost of producing the 201 ST unit of the chemical. Actually, this problem is asking us to obtain the derivative of the result of the problem B. So for do that, we will use the rule of the constant. So the result of the problem B was 0.00005x to the cubic minus 2x plus 196. That is equal to 0.00015x to the cubic minus 2x plus 196. Remember that in this case that the 196 is the constant, and the constant always is equal to 0 because the rule says that. So that is equal to 0.00015x with the exponents 3 minus 1 minus 2x. So what we need to do is only to subtract the exponents, and that is equal to 0.00015x to the square minus 2. Secondly, we need to substitute the x, so that is equal to 0.00015 201 to the square minus 2. Then that is equal to 0.00015 440.01 minus 2, and that is equal to 6.06 minus 2, and then the result of the cost of producing is equal to 4.06.
Thank you so much for watching this video.